You had a panel on Robo-Advisors, which suddenly have come to the fore. They were kind of in the background, and then some big companies, Schwab, Vanguard, kind of entered the space, and that gave it credibility, if you will. But can you just give us an overview? What are these things, or the software? Why would people be interested?
Sure. It's a huge trend and getting a lot of press, as you said. And we see it at Morningstar really as an evolution, not a revolution. Ultimately, I think it shows that more power and more choice is coming into the hands of the individual investor, which ultimately is a really good thing. If you think about 30 years ago with the advent of mutual funds, all of a sudden people who used to be super well off and could access accounts at Goldman Sachs, that moved a little bit more downstream to Main Street with the advent of mutual funds. And I think robo-advice is a continuation of that. A robo-advice doesn't replace a relationship with a human being, let's just be clear. But it is facilitating access to low-cost strategies for people who otherwise maybe wouldn't know how to access them, wouldn't think that they had enough money, would be intimidated. I mean, half of it is just, honestly, I think the digital experience. And having a way to, with a couple of clicks or maybe a couple of enticing images that help you think about your future goals, get you engaged in the investment process.